Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the moment I've been waiting for at least 2 months. I have never been this self-disciplined about something, and that is building my PC despite having all the parts next to me. This was like no other task. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Ginger TV. As you can see, I'm very excited today. I just got the time to build my new PC. All the parts are in. Everything, the case, the CPU, the motherboard, the graphics card, the RAM, everything is in. And now I'm going to build my new PC. So it's a PC about productivity, mostly gaming. It's gaming related. It has a good graphics card. It has a decent CPU, a lot of RAM for video editing for the Ginger TV channel. And yeah, so this is my old PC. It's dated. It's outdated. So it's 5 years old. It had a FX 6300. It had a 16 gigabyte of RAM that I just recently updated like a year ago from 8 to 16. It had an R9 280 and just an SSD and a 1 terabyte hard disk. My new gaming PC is gonna be a lot better. And this time I'm just treating myself, so I'm almost done university, so like it's a pre-graduation gift. So I have the GTX 1070, which is gonna be great for gaming. I don't want to go high end and I don't want to go low end, so 1070 is just a sweet spot. I bought it used. It's super clean. It's almost brand new. So the guy had the plastic on everything, so that's why it was a great deal for me. I have the Ryzen 5 1600 6-core 12-thread CPU, which is plenty for my needs, so I don't need an extra like the 8 cores or the 12 cores or any of the Threadripper. I just want like a decent CPU, and this is gonna be a major upgrade from the FX 6300. Now I have 32 times 16, 32 gigabyte of RAM. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have 32 gigabyte of RAM. Oh my god. Anyways, so 32 gigabyte of RAM, it's a lot. It's plenty for everything. I'm just having it, I found a great deal. I bought them. I was like, whatever, let's get it. And the Asus ROG Crosshair 6 motherboard for the CPU, of course. Well, it's just an overall great motherboard. It's like, it has a lot of features. I can do SLI in the future if I want. If it has RGB, 2-port RGB for, you know, the colors. And yeah, it has like, it's just a good looking motherboard as well. Over here I have the RF120 RGB fans from Deepcool. Their cheap fans are very good. They're my friend uses them. He had 5, he gave me 2. I was like, he didn't need the other 2. I was like, I'll take them. Thank you very much, buddy. Shout out to you, my homie. You already know who you are. So I'm gonna use them. They're RGB. I can put any color on them. They're pretty nice, and RGB is actually needed because this case is gorgeous. It has tempered glass on the side, it has tempered glass on the front, it has a filter, magnetic filter on the top, full length filter on the bottom. It's gorgeous in all the senses. It's the Deepcool Matrix 70, very well built case, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun building in it. So yeah, that's it for this video. That's it for now. Not that. Whoa. Not that's it for this video. That's it for now, and I'll show you guys the build right now. So before I leave, you might guys ask yourself, where is the power supply? Where is the storage? Where is the cooler? Well, I'm gonna use this from my previous build. So these parts are like reusable, so that's why I'm gonna use them. They're actually off camera right now because like they're out of bar, so it's not they're not nice to look at. So that's why. So for the power supply, just quickly, for the power supply, I have a 650 watt power supply from EVGA, 80 plus gold rated. For the storage, I have 1 terabyte of Seagate 7200 RPM hard drive, and I have a 256 gigabyte SSD from Intel. So it should be plenty for my needs, and yeah, so I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna just get right into building. Alright guys, so that's it. This is my brand new computer. It is long overdue. I was finally able to update my PC from 5 years old, and I'm really excited to be using it, edit videos, play games on it, do any task I want without having it hiccup. So my PC is long overdue. It's very old, 5 years old, and I'm very excited to be using it. It was a pretty simple build, to be honest. Like, I didn't have any major problems. One of the problems that I had was actually with the case. So this is the power supply cover. So it covers the cables in the power supply to make it everything look smooth and cool. One of the things, my motherboard is actually front panel connectors. So the connectors that connect the case USB, the case power button, and all of this was interfering with the power supply cover. So I decided to remove it and not use it, and just like keep it as it is. Like, I'm gonna have to live with it. Other than that, the case was actually pretty nice. It was super easy to build in. It's big, it has good cable management space, it had good cable management tie down spots, and like, it was actually a breeze to build with it. It also has a lot of room for upgradability. So if I want to add more SSDs, if I want to add more hard drives, I can do it easily. So I wanted to display my SSD on the front, but I wasn't able because I didn't want to use 2 SATA cables. So I decided to put them both in the bag and just use one cable. But other than that, it was pretty smooth build. One thing that I'm gonna change in the future for sure is my fans. So all my fans are different. So I have brown fans, I have black fans, I have blue fans, and I have RGB fans in the top. I'm gonna change them all to RGB. I'm gonna buy deep cool fans, RGB deep cool fans, and have them all RGB and just be done with it, because right now it looks a bit ridiculous. So for now, I'm very happy with the build. I'm excited to be using it to edit this video actually. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, smash the like button and tell me down below if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you want more content like this. This is Ginger TV, and I'll see you guys in the next one.